JBL's Flip 4 is the latest in a popular line of wireless speakers built for outdoor use. It arrives in a standard cardboard and foam prison, adorned with some cool graphics and patterning. The speaker itself is bright red and feels sturdy, as it should, given its IPX7 waterproofing. Wrapped in resilient rubber and a fabric-y weave, it's immediately apparent that the Flip was made to withstand the elements. As far as buttons go, the Flip is pretty standard. Tap the power button once to turn it on, and hold down the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Volume and playback controls are here too, though you'll probably use your phone or music player for that. The Flip can connect with 2 devices at once via Bluetooth. This is a neat feature to encourage shared DJ responsibilities. The JBL Connect button is here to enable multi-form functionality. Here's the catch. The Flip 4 uses JBL's Connect Plus protocol, while every previous JBL offering uses the original Connect protocol. This means that for now, you can only pair the Flip 4 with other Flip 4 speakers. Luckily, just one Flip is enough for most purposes. Whether you're holed up in the den or kicking back by the campfire, the speaker sounds great, with excellent bass response thanks to 2 passive external radiators. The bass is definitely the first thing you'll notice, but the overall sound signature is surprisingly clear and balanced. Even at high volume, the Flip never sounded strained or raspy, although little details sometimes get lost in the mix. Its Bluetooth connection is very reliable. Dunk it in a swimming pool, no more than 3 feet deep, and it'll resume play when you pull it out. The charge port is safely hidden behind a sealable rubber cap. There's also an auxiliary port here, although the speaker doesn't come with a cable. The attached cord is strong and works well for hanging the Flip from tree branches or canopy corners. You'll get just over 10 hours of battery life out of the Flip. It takes about 3 hours to charge fully. If you're a stickler for sound quality, you might be better off with an indoor-oriented hi-fi speaker. But if you want a life-proof party speaker with big bass at a reasonable price, JBL Flip 4 is for you.